If you are facing an issue where Notepad refuses to open on your Windows 11 machine, we have a straightforward solution for you. First, we recommend trying to open Notepad through the Windows search bar. If this resolves the problem, then you are all set. However, if Notepad still does not launch, do not worry. Press the Windows key and the R key simultaneously to open the Run dialog box. In the dialog box, type notepad.exe and press Enter. Observe if this action helps you access Notepad. If this method also proves unsuccessful, proceed to search for Notepad directly in the Windows search bar once more. Upon finding Notepad in the search results, click on the small downward pointing arrow next to it. From the options that appear, select App Settings. Within the App Settings window, scroll down until you locate the Terminate button. Click on Terminate to stop any running processes associated with Notepad. After terminating, you will see two more options, Repair and Reset. First, click on Repair, and patiently wait until you see a checkmark indicating the repair process is complete. Following the repair, click on the Reset button to finalize the process. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.